Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Armada oil light. First, find the info button on your steering wheel. Press it several times until the maintenance screen displays. From there, navigate to Engine OIL to begin the reset process. This simple procedure ensures your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date after an oil change. It's a quick task that you can easily do yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. Once you've selected Engine OIL, you'll see an option to reset the reminder. Confirm this selection to clear the current maintenance alert. After confirming, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. This step is crucial for accurate future maintenance tracking. It's a straightforward process, ensuring your Armada's system reflects your recent oil service.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, keeping your engine running smoothly is important, just like keeping yourself hydrated. Stay refreshed anywhere with an Owala water bottle. It's perfect for on the go. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video.
For some Nissan Armada models, an alternative reset method might be necessary. Turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, fully press and release the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second window. Finally, start your engine to confirm that the oil light has been successfully reset. This method is useful if the steering wheel controls don't work. Resetting your oil light after an oil change is more than just turning off a warning. It prevents your vehicle from displaying unnecessary service reminders, which can be distracting. More importantly, it ensures your Armada's maintenance system accurately tracks your service intervals. This helps you stay on top of future oil changes, contributing to your engine's long-term health and performance. Don't skip this vital step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.